This is the Sony WH-CH520. Let's get straight into it. These headphones have a good amount of battery life, coming in at 50 hours of playtime depending on your volume. It's built in with quick charge, which means if it's out of power, you can plug it in for only 3 minutes and get up to 1.5 hours of playing time. That's a lot, which means you don't have to waste any time to get back to music listening. The CH520s comes in 4 great colors: black, blue, cappuccino, and white. I personally think that the cappuccino color is pretty cool. Might have to get it. When you open up the box, it comes with a reference guide and warranty, the USB to USB-C cable for charging, and the Sony CH520s. But let's take a closer look at the headphones. It's mostly going to have a plastic feel around the headphones. And here, if you look closer, you're going to see your 30mm drivers. On top of the earpiece, you can see the vents where the air travels through. On the right side, you're going to see your power button, which can also be used to pair with devices, play and pause your music, and you could also double tap the button to activate your voice commands. Beside it, there's your volume up and down buttons, which you can also use to skip tracks or go back to tracks if you hold down the button. Right next to it, there's a little LED light to let you know that the headphones are charging or that it's in pairing mode, the USB-C port for charging, and the built-in microphone. These headphones also come with 360 reality audio. It'll give you that nice surround sound around your head, but it could only be used if your music streaming service supports it. The CH520s are also built with multi-point connection, which means you can swap between devices quickly. You don't have to disconnect the headphones from your phone to use it on your computer. Now, we all have different tastes to how we want our music to sound, and that's why Sony made these headphones compatible with the Sony Headphones Connect app. In the application, you can choose between different EQs to raise the pitch or increase the bass, and you could also create your own custom EQs. Now, I took the chance to take these headphones outside and test them for myself, and I gotta say, these headphones are very lightweight. You almost forget that they're even there. Now, these headphones don't come with noise canceling, but that doesn't take away from the fact that these headphones sound great. It's got a very good mix between bass and clarity, and it doesn't mess with the sound. It's also very comfortable in your ears. Now, I put the mic right by the headphones so I can show you guys what it really sounds like. Here, take a listen. Now, I did mention earlier that the headphones did come with a built-in mic, so let's test how much clarity my voice has over a phone call. This is the mic test on the CH520s. See how well my voice sounds. Test, 1, 2, 1, 2. In my opinion, these Sonys sound amazing. It actually impressed me. Now, you'd think with it being a very light pair of headphones that it won't have that great of sound, or is built with cheaper material. Well, don't underestimate these headphones because it has some really good sound. Now, it's not foldable, so it's not that portable like some headphones out there, but it's still small enough and light enough to fit it in your backpack or wherever you're trying to put it. Great sound, 50 hours of battery, quick charge, and customizable EQs. Can't complain. If you guys are interested, I'll leave all the links in the description below. I'm Justin. This is Gadget Getters. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more content like this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.